Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Android version because permission controls changed across releases. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Apps. This narrows the view to installed packages. Tap the specific app you want to inspect and make sure you're on its app info page. From here you'll find the permissions entry. That's the control center. Keep in mind some system apps live under special app access, so make sure you can see both regular and special permission areas. Now you'll see a split between allowed and denied permissions. Review each dangerous group like location, camera, microphone. Tap an entry to change it, and prefer allow only while using the app to limit background access. Once you modify one permission, test the app flow that uses it so you confirm behavior. Make sure to visit Permission Manager or Special App Access for background location, battery optimizations, or install unknown app. Finish by revoking any permissions. The app doesn't need and force stop or restart the app so changes take effect. If an app still requests access unexpectedly, reset app preferences in Settings or uninstall and reinstall to clear cached decisions. Make sure to check Play Protect and battery optimizations that might block background permission use. Troubleshooting tip. If a permission is grayed out, it's likely enforced by a device owner, work profile, or admin policy. Check those profiles or contact your administrator before assuming it's a bug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.